So here is a problem from trigonometry as well as calculus, more from trigonometry, less from derivatives. So the actual simplification part is totally depend on the trigonometric identities, the basic knowledge of the trigonometry. Now first we simplify. First we simplify the given function. What is that? Y of alpha. Now what is y of alpha? Is square root of 2 into tan alpha plus cot alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha plus 1 by sin square alpha. Now 1 by sin square alpha is directly cosecant square alpha, reciprocal of cosecant. So square root of, and here 2 into cot alpha, I can write cos alpha by sin alpha, sin alpha by cos alpha is tan alpha, and this is cos alpha by sin alpha. So after taking LCM you get cos alpha into sin alpha, and numerator you get sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, which is 1. 1 plus tan square alpha is secant square alpha, reciprocal to that is cos square alpha, and here we have 1 by sin square alpha, I can write cosecant square alpha. Now here see, 1 cos alpha cancel and 1 cos alpha left with us. Cos alpha by sin alpha is cot alpha, so 2 cot alpha. Now I write cosecant square alpha as 1 plus cot square alpha, so 1 plus cot square alpha plus here we have 2 cot alpha, this one is 2 cot alpha. Now 1 square plus cot square alpha plus 2 cot alpha, it is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab, so a plus b whole square, square root of 1 plus cot alpha whole square. Now which is actually modulus of 1 plus cot alpha. Now here we may do some mistake here, because of generally what we do, root of x square is x, right? So this is wrong sometimes, because of root of x square is actually the proper one is modulus of x. Now this modulus of x is depend now. Modulus of x may be x, may be minus x. So modulus x is x if x is positive, and modulus x is minus x if x is negative. So that is depend on whether x is negative or positive. After cancelling square root, generally we write x, it sometimes give the wrong results. The proper one is, the correct one is root of x square is what? Actually you have to write mod x. Then we have to decide whether x is positive or negative. If x is positive you have to write mod x is x, and if x is negative you have to write mod x is minus x. So that's the same thing I am going to do now. Square root after cancelling I have to write mod x. Now here inside mod 1 plus cot alpha is there. If 1 plus cot alpha is positive, the result is going to be 1 plus cot alpha. If 1 plus cot alpha is negative, the result is going to be minus of 1 plus cot alpha. Now we have to see whether that function sitting inside modulus is positive or negative. So that is, we have to decide whether 1 plus cot alpha is positive or negative. So to do that, some interval is mentioned in the problem that alpha angle belongs to 3 pi by 4 to pi. So what I do, first I draw the graph of cot x. So this is the graph of cot x, rough sketch of cot x. Now here we have pi by 2. Now where we have 3 pi by 4, somewhere here 3 pi by 4 we have. Now you can see after 3 pi by 4 function, the graph of the function is moving down. What is the meaning of this? The cot x values or cot alpha values will be less than the value at 3 pi by 4. Now at 3 pi by 4 cot value is minus 1. So therefore cot alpha is what? Is less than minus 1 after 3 pi by 4 before pi. So in between 3 pi by 4 to pi, cot alpha value is less than minus 1, means 1 plus cot alpha is negative. Now because of the modulus function, what is it? Modulus of 1 plus cot alpha is negative. So therefore this result, what is that? Y of alpha value will become minus of 1 plus cot alpha, that is minus 1 minus cot alpha. Now we can do the derivative very simple with respect to alpha, because the function in terms of alpha given, so dy by d alpha. In general we will have function in terms of x, we write dy by dx, but the function is defined in terms of alpha, so we write dy by d alpha. Minus 1 derivative is 0, and cot alpha derivative minus cosecant square alpha, minus of minus plus cosecant square alpha. Now here given that we have to find out the derivative value at alpha is equals to 5 pi by 6, that is 150 degrees. Now sin 150 is 1 by 2, so therefore cosine 150 is 2 square, which is equals to 4. Right? Thank you for watching.